From all of us at McAuliffe's Ace Hardware, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for your support in 2017, and we hope to see you again in 2018.
Thank you for shopping with us at McAuliffe's Hardware.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
From all the rental guys, we appreciate your business this year, and we can't wait to see you next year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
From all of us to all of you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas!
Wherever you guys want to go.
We don't mess around. Hey!
And my wife says, you're lucky you just had that.
We don't mess around.
Very easily.
Hey!
Hey!
Okay, sorry.
That camera
Whenever.
records your voice too.
Yeah. Whenever you want to go, Dougie.
Wait, am I supposed to be playing?
Yep, play your music. Start it up.
Just start it?
Yeah, start it. We would like to thank you for your rental business this year, and we can't wait to see you next year.
Oh, I messed up. From all of us at McAuliffe's Ace, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
What was I going to say?
All of us in the rental business.